4 insights on building single family office relationships for those that are here to meet investors. Investors are always looking for signs of long-term commitment, high conviction, and high integrity. If you do things in too rushed of a stressful way, it's actually going to hurt you and it's going to take longer to make progress. So if you do things in a way that makes sense, if you're only long-term dedicated, people will actually move forward with you faster. Second thing, investors are not cheap. They're wanting to align value and creation with the fees. They don't mind paying a Rolls-Royce price, but they don't want to get a Honda Civic for it with no air conditioning. So it's not about being cheap, it's about being aligned. Number 3, the more connected, informed, and sophisticated the investor, the better the deal has to be to win their attention. Everyone thinks their problem is not deal flow. They just need to get in front of more investors. But many times, if the deal flow is really excellent, the money would come in faster. So the deal flow quality is more important than most people realize. And the level of quality that someone expects when they're worth 30 million or 100 million or $1 billion net worth goes up exponentially. So it's hard to get through to those top investors unless you have really exceptional deal flow and an excellent structure and a great team. Do not chase the excitement in a space or chase something different all the time. Build what is going to come in the future and get ahead so you have momentum for when the demand comes in the future to your space. And the other thing I've learned is just to be concise, prepared, and provide value first in tangible ways. Help their son be groomed to take over the family office, or help their cousin get a job at UBS where you still have connections. Or if you're on the board of Wharton, then help that person get into the school, help somebody get a new client, a new customer, a new piece of deal flow, or help them meet the peer. We have a $100 million net worth family here today who's meeting the son of another $100 million net worth family here today. It doesn't benefit me at all to do that, but they have things in common and they can share notes and resources, et cetera. That's an example of it.